I just completed the quick connect connection for the table saw cradle. I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get a set of plans to build a smart wood shop for yourself or one of my workbenches, link in the description of this video down below. So now let's test it out and see how it works. First, I'll connect it to the cradle. I'm playing around with dowels here. So I had some pine dowels that I used on the other cradle, the one for the sander. On this one, I picked up a chunk of oak. I'm not sure that the hardwood is going to be any stronger, but just in case. So it's a chunk of oak. I did drill the 20mm hole in from the bottom, about halfway through or so. I just estimated. I did not go all the way through, although the layout is exactly the same. I wanted to be able to bottom it out. And then in the top, I drilled through the pilot hole and countersunk in some of those fast cap power head screws that I use for cabinetry. I've showed them before. That's the same ones that I do all this assembly with. So then I glued those dowels in. I drilled holes in through the dowels, and then I put these screws in, everything clamped and glued so that I would hold them in place. I'm also using 3/4 dowel material, dowel stock, not 20mm. I think that if I don't have access to 20mm anyway unless I order it from somewhere, but I think that with the wood and trying to connect this and drop it in, I'm not so sure that I'd want it that tight fit. So I think going 3/4 gives me that little bit of slop, not going to hurt what I need in this case, but give me a little easier time fitting things in. Okay, this is typically where I put it. I cantilever it out off the bench. Well, it dropped right in. That's a good sign. And there's a little flex here, but that is not the cradle. I have the Paulk Smart Station up on its wheel, so you get a little wiggle from that. If I dropped it on the floor, it would be its typical stable self. I could use this on the Paulk Smart Bench because the top is laid out exactly the same. I can mount it on either end, and I can mount it on the sides if I need to. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about the quick connect version of the cradles. If you like these videos, if you've learned anything, if you'd like to see me make more, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell so YouTube will let you know when I put up a new video. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.